Hello all, myself Soumya KS, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Commerce, GFGC Paramasagara. In this video, we shall discuss about various incomes which are chargeable under the head income from other sources other than specified income. There are few incomes which are not specified income which are chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources, but still they are chargeable to tax. Then those incomes are called as general incomes. These are the other incomes. These general incomes are other incomes other than specified incomes which are chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources. And those incomes are first all kind of interest. That is, it may be interest on securities or interest on bank deposit or even on whatever the loan we have given and received interest over that, and delayed refund of income tax. On that also we will receive interest on refund of income tax. So all these comes under general income which are chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources. Then income of a tenant from subletting the whole or a part of the house property. Means one tenant, he may made a rent agreement with the owner and taken for lease or even for rent. Then if he sublet that house or a building to others, usually the house property, a whole house or a part of the house, then whatever the income he receives, that is chargeable under the head income from other sources. ಈಗ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಓನರ್ ಏನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ದಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಬ್ಲೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಅದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೇನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನೇನ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಬಲ್ ಟು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. Then remuneration received by a teacher or a lawyer for doing examination work. Examination work, it may be related to invigilation or evaluation, whatever it may be, that all comes under the head income from other sources. Then income of royalty, if any royalty received. Then director's fees, if a person acting as a director in a company, then whatever the fees he receives, that is considered under the head income from other sources. Then rent of land not appertinent to any building, a plain land or without having any building, if only the land is let out, then rent received from such land is comes under the chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources. Then agricultural income from land situated outside India. Any agricultural income received within India, means the land situated within India is exempt. But if the agricultural income is received from the land which is situated outside India, means any foreign country, then it is taxable under the head income from other sources. Then income from markets, ferries or fisheries. If you have let out your place for this, or any kind of income you are receiving by making some contract for these kind of thing, then it is taxable under the head income from other sources. Then income from leasehold property, means you let it under lease, made a lease agreement and you have received lease amount, and any income you are receiving from that, that is for lease, for giving a property under lease, that also considered under the head income from other sources. Then remuneration received for writing articles in journals. ಈಗ ಜರ್ನಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ರೆಮ್ಯುನರೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. Then income from undisclosed sources. ಅನ್ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎನಿ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್. ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬಂತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾವ ರೀಸನ್ ಇಂದ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ಡ್, then unexplained investment. In your names somebody has invested, somebody has made investments and that source is unexplained, then also it is considered as undisclosed. Then unexplained money, you have shown that you are having this much of money and the source you are not disclosing that. Then unexplained expenditure, ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, 3 lakh 5 lakh ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬಾರೋಡ್ ಆರ್ ರೀಪೇಡ್ ಆನ್ ಹುಂಡಿ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆನ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಡ್ರಾನ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪೇಯಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಂಡಿ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀವು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನ ಬಾರೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಥವಾ ರೀಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ it is considered as the income from undisclosed sources and it is chargeable to tax under the head income from other sources. And then interest received by an employee on his own contribution to an unrecognized provident fund. If an employee makes a contribution to unrecognized provident fund and receives interest over that contribution, that is also taxable under the head income from other sources. Then salary of a member of parliament, member of legislative assembly or council, that is also taxable. Then insurance commission not chargeable under the head profit and gains of business or profession. ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೇನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಚಾರ್ಜಬಲ್ ಆಗದೆ ಇದ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಬಲ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಸ್. ದೆನ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ನ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ರೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ, ದೆನ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ಸಚ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಟು ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನ ಅದರ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಾಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ದೇ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ and even at the time of lending money also they give guarantee. For that they receive commission. So such commission is also considered as income from other sources. Then directors commission for underwriting shares of a new company. ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊಸ ಕಂಪನಿ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ನ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಗೆ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ ಅಂಡರ್ರೈಟರ್ಸ್. Underwriters, what they do, they make an underwriting agreement regarding issue of or the subscription of the shares. If such amount of shares are not sold out, then they themselves will purchase. So underwriting ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ ದಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಡೂ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಇನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ taxable under the head income from other sources. Then gratuity received by a director who is not an employee of the company. Director is not considered as an employee. Okay, so if a director receives gratuity, then it is also taxable under the head income from other sources. Then family pension received by the widow and heirs of deceased employees. But there are few exemptions relating to that. They are pension received by the widow of an employee of the UNO is exempt. Then family pension received by any member of family of the gallantry awardee, gallantry award ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರ family members, that is also exempt. Then family pension received by the widow or children or nominated person of a member of the armed forces of the union where death of such member occurred in the course of operational duties. ಅವರು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಆರ್ಮಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು, ಆರ್ಮ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವರು ಡ್ಯೂಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಡೆತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ಟ್. And few other incomes are amount withdrawn from deposit in NSC scheme, National Savings Scheme 1987, on which deduction under section 80 CCA has been allowed, including interest thereon. ಈಗ NSC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ 80 CCA. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್, ಅದೆರಡು ವಿಡ್ರಾನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರ್ ದಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ he has to pay tax. Then receipts by cricketers selected to play for India. Indian cricketers who are all playing for India, and whatever the remuneration they receive, that is taxable under the head income from other sources. Then tips received by a waiter or taxi driver not being given by his employer. Employer alde passenger enadru tips kotre to the taxi driver, or the customer giving tips to the waiters in the hotels or restaurants, that is taxable. For further reference, you can refer these textbooks and website. Thank you.